Hello and welcome back to my channel and welcome to the 1st of May. I'm going to be sharing a video a day every day in May. I'm so excited to get back into the swing of YouTube and share with my lovely community here on YouTube. And I'm starting with what I eat in a day with low carb, high protein meals. Before I get into that though, I thought I'd just have a little chat about what my diet looks like now. So today I'm going to be eating low carb, high protein. Other days aren't quite like that. I'm not on strict keto anymore. I don't have the aim of being in ketosis. It's more just having lots of low carb, high protein, keto friendly meals. But there's some days where I eat all the foods and just eat intuitively and what I feel like. So today's low carb, high protein, I thought I'd share that to give you some easy meal ideas, but I'd like to hear from you. If you'd like me to share those other days, the more intuitive eating, what I eat in a day, intuitive eating and just eating what I feel like, do you want me to share that as well? Let me know in the comments. I've got some recipes coming up this month, some grocery hauls, some shopping tours, and also later in the month I'm going to London too. So I want to hear from you. Do you want me to share London food, what I get up to there as well? Would you rather just recipes? Keep it to that. Let me know in the comments. I'd really appreciate your input. But today's meals are all low carb, high protein, really easy meals. I try and keep to as few ingredients, few steps, really simple, which I will share in the video today. And be sure to leave a like, subscribe so you can join the Yummy Inspirations community so that you can get notified when new videos come out, and share in all the fun with a video a day every day in May. Make sure to comment, let me know the content you want to see this month. If you want to see my London videos, the what I eat in a day with intuitive eating, or just a little bit of everything. And I've got lots of recipes planned, so you can be sure for lots of that. So let's get straight into it and let me share my low carb, high protein breakfast I'm having today. I'm gonna fry up some eggs along with this lovely Irish beef pastrami. It's fried up so we've got a meaty, low carb, high protein breakfast, and some spinach leaves to kind of balance out the richness of the meal and to give some healthy greens too. So I'm going to start by frying some of the meat in a frying pan that's nice and hot with plenty of coconut oil in. Just fry it on one side and then flip it over to the other side, and as soon as it's flipped over we're going to crack a couple of eggs over. And then it's really as simple as cooking until the eggs are done to your liking, meat is nice and crisp. And then it's up to you with the spinach if you want to cook it in the frying pan or serve it on the side of the plate once your meal is done. It's totally up to you, but yep, just cook until the eggs are done to your liking and the meat is nice and crisp too. And there you go, that's my super simple, couldn't be easier breakfast. That's low carb, high protein, keto friendly, meat and fried eggs and a bit of spinach. Makes such a yum meal. It's a great way to start the day, to give you nourishment and keep you energized through the morning. So that's my breakfast. I'll catch up with you through the day as I have something to eat. I like to have my main meal at lunchtime, and I'm going to be making my crispy chicken thighs. You might want to make this as a dinner instead. I was intermittent fasting for years and I've got in the habit of having my main meal at lunch and, as you'll see later, a really light meal at dinner time. So I'm making my crispy chicken thighs, super budget friendly. Here in Ireland, each pack of these thighs is €2, so €8 for all of this chicken. And I'm simply going to coat it in salt, paprika and olive oil, and I've got my baking dish there ready to go. So I'm just going to get it prepped and I'll talk you through as I go. And I've shared this recipe on my blog a while ago. I'll leave the link to that down below as well, so you can have the full recipe there too. So I filled my baking dish with my chicken thighs, skin side down, and now I'll season them with a whole lot of salt and paprika, drizzle over extra virgin olive oil, and then we're going to flip them over to skin side up, just like that, and then we'll add on more salt and paprika and a final drizzle of olive oil. I'll put on more than that, I'll just kind of drizzle till I'm happy, and then we'll pop it back to skin side down. So initially the skin side is down, add on all the seasoning, skin side up like this, add on more seasoning, just cover it, and now we'll flip it all over so the skin side cooks down first and up the second time. So the chicken is skin side down and it's going to go into the oven, which is preheated to 200 degrees Celsius or 400 Fahrenheit for half an hour. So cook it for 30 minutes and then we'll flip it and cook it for a final 30 minutes or until golden and done to our liking. So it's going to go into the oven for 30 minutes and I'll show you when I flip it over. chicken's been in the oven for half an hour. It's sizzling away. I'm just going to flip it all over so that it's skin side up, and now it's going to go back into the oven for a final half an hour or 30 minutes of cooking time. Now regarding sides, I've just chopped up a whole head of broccoli, and I'm going to heat some coconut oil in the frying pan, and when it's nice and hot, just cook all of this broccoli until it's nice and golden all over, and that's just a super simple side to serve with my lovely crispy chicken. And the chicken is out of the oven. It looks incredible, smells incredible. I love that crisp crunch skin with the lovely chicken thighs. So I'm going to serve myself out a portion. There you go, 2 perfectly crispy chicken thighs with a nice portion of broccoli as well to balance out the richness and to make a lovely low carb, high protein lunch. But yeah, you could definitely have this for dinner instead. I just like having my main meal at lunchtime, and then I'll catch up with you in the afternoon when I have a snack, and then at dinner time too. It's afternoon snack time. I'm keeping it low carb, high protein. I'm going to have a handful of cashew nuts. Love some cashew nuts as a nice snack. Low carb, high fiber, high protein. So good. Limit myself to a handful. And a couple of slices of cheese. I just love a bit of cheese. So I'm going to have a couple of slices of cheese as a nice afternoon snack to keep me full till dinner. I do have a really early dinner time. Pretty much as soon as I finished up with work, I get my dinner ready, which I'll share with you next. If you prefer to switch it around, have a salad, something light for lunch, and then have a heavier dinner, you could do that too. But this is my afternoon snack, and I'll catch up with you at dinner time. So this is my really unconventional final meal of the day, just what I feel like. I always kind of just have bits of things rummage around. I've got some plain Greek yogurt with some blueberries here, so it's high protein, and got some fruit in my day as well. I've got some cucumber sliced up, love the crunch, just love a bit of cucumber. And I've got a piece of the chocolate chip bread. The recipe I've shared a few times on my blog, my website. I'll leave the link to the recipe down below so you can make my chocolate chip bread. It's got Greek yogurt, it's gluten-free, and it's so good. And this is just what I feel like ending my day with on what I eat in a day. I asked what you wanted to see videos in my everyday May videos. You wanted to see what I eat in a day, so this is what I eat in a day. A bit different, but it's what I quite enjoy, what I've been enjoying eating lately. Let me know if you'd like me to share more what I eat in a day videos through May as well, and what other content you'd like me to share with my videos coming out every single day in May. Keep watching tomorrow to see what's next, but thank you so much for watching this video. Be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, comment too, and we will see you again soon. Bye.